Hello, my name is Uzamaka, and I'm the founder of a ministry called the Women of Remarkable Destiny. Now, the purpose of this ministry is to help the recovery process of people who've experienced sexual abuse. As a child, I was sexually abused, and it's taken me over 30 years to find healing and wholeness. I had over 80 issues, and from those issues and my recovery process, I've designed a program called Overcoming the Effects of Sexual Abuse. I've started a great teaching series on, how to deal with anger, how to find strength, dealing with your mental, health and well-being. And it's a great teaching series that I believe could help you as part of your recovering process. You can follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn at the Women of Remarkable Destiny, and Twitter and Instagram at the word O 3. It's a new day. You can be healed, so be strong and don't give up. The Women of Remarkable Destiny. Thank you.